1. Demand scale. In 2024, Africa's energy storage will increase by about 2.8 gigawatt-hours, and in 2025, it is expected to be 8.6 gigawatt-hours, of which South Africa will account for 2 gigawatt-hours, and the rest will be distributed in Egypt, Morocco, Nigeria, and Kenya. The target for photovoltaic installations in the continent in 2030 is 400 gigawatts, based on a 5 to 10% storage allocation. The potential demand for energy storage is 20 to 40 gigawatt-hours per year. 2. Scenarios and business models. Household microgrid 0.5 to 20 kilowatt-hours system, replacing diesel generators. Kenya, Nigeria. Cash sales plus pay-go installment. Industrial and commercial 100 kilowatts to 2 megawatts photovoltaic plus energy storage. Peak shaving. South Africa, Morocco. Energy management contract EMC. Large storage on the grid side, greater than or equal to 50 megawatts. Frequency regulation plus new energy grid connection. South Africa, Egypt. IPP, national bidding. Household microgrid, accounting for more than 40% of Africa's energy storage shipments, with a price as low as $300 to $500 per kilowatt-hours, which is still 30% cheaper than diesel power generation. Large storage. South Africa launched a 616 megawatts, 2 gigawatt-hours tender in 2025. Egypt and Morocco plan 100 megawatts photovoltaic storage projects. 3. Technology and cost. Mainstream lithium iron phosphate, 2 to 4 hours. Sodium ion has landed in Kenya's first microgrid commercial system, and the cost is 30 to 40% lower than lithium battery. High import dependence. 90% of photovoltaic modules come from China, and more than 70% of energy storage systems are distributed by Chinese integrators or local agents. 4. Policy and funding. South Africa, carbon tax plus power restrictions promote industrial and commercial energy storage. ROI less than. For years, state-owned power company Eskom directly purchases large storage. Kenya, 30 gigawatts renewable installed capacity target by 2030. Foreign-funded enterprises enjoy 10 years of tax exemption and free capital remittance. Multilateral funds. The World Bank's 300 million people power plan and AF Desert 2 Power project provide low-interest loans and sovereign guarantees. Conclusion. African energy storage is in the 3-stage rocket rising stage of popularization of household use, gives penetration of industry and commerce, gives national large-scale storage. Chinese companies have become the absolute main force, with their cost and channel advantages.